Hello, my name is Alex Branton and I'm a meteorologist here at the Mount Washington Observatory. I'm coming to you live from the summit of Mount Washington to talk about this weekend's higher summits forecast. Before we get into the forecast though, let's talk about what's going on right now on Mount Washington. So currently our wind speeds are about 35 miles per hour, so they've been pretty steady throughout the day. Looking at our 24-hour data, our peak gust over the past 24 hours is 65 miles per hour, so nothing too impressive for up here. 10-minute gust only 46 miles per hour, and we are expecting winds to decrease through the night tonight. Temperature right now about 11 degrees. That is quite a bit colder than seasonal average. It has been pretty chilly up here on the summit of Mount Washington. And looking at our 24-hour data as well, we can see we've gotten a whopping 10.3 inches of snow over the past 24 hours. So it's been pretty snowy so far this November. So if you like snow, that's good news for you. Visibility right now is about 1/16 of a mile, so you can't see much out there, but I will go ahead and show the deck cam. So sun's already gone down, a lot of snow on the ground, fog in the air, so not too much to see out there right now. Alrighty, let's jump into our higher summits forecast. So this weekend is going to give us a variety of different conditions over the course of the weekend. So what we're looking at here is a surface analysis map. So this is showing us the major weather systems that are at play here this weekend. So we have this high pressure system that's currently building over the region. High pressure is going to bring us that calming wind and maybe some opportunities for clearing tonight and tomorrow. But following quickly on the heels of this high pressure system, we have this low pressure system that's kind of regaining energy over the Great Lakes. As this low pressure system moves towards New England, it's going to bring us some precipitation, increasing winds and clouds once again on Saturday night and Sunday. So we've got a big mess of precipitation coming with this system. So let's look at this future radar here and see what is going on this weekend. So if we start over at tonight, it looks like we got a little bit of a chance of snow showers at the higher terrain tonight. Moving further into tonight and tomorrow, not much in the way of precipitation on the radar. But as we move into Saturday night, we see that rain and freezing rain start to move into the region. A good bit of freezing rain and rain for the lower elevations. It should be mostly snow here at the higher elevations, but it is going to be a big mess of wintry precipitation at the lower elevations Saturday night and Sunday. As we move deeper into Sunday, we see all of that precip starts to transition back into snow at all the lower elevations, particularly the higher summits, and in Coos and Grafton counties, we do see that chance for snow. So again, a wintry mix of precipitation expected at the lower elevations, although it is expected to be mostly snow up here at the higher elevations. And then dropping back to freezing at the valley floors on Sunday, and a good bit of snow maybe in the forecast for Coos and Grafton counties on Sunday. So now let's look at our higher summits forecast. We will go ahead and go to the PDF version here. So looking at the higher summits forecast for Friday night, we will be in the clouds, turning towards mostly in the clear. Under decreasingly cloudy skies, we will have a slight chance of snow showers early, but little to no snow accumulations. Temperatures in the upper single digits, and winds will be decreasing all the way down to 25 to 40 miles per hour tonight. Wind chill falling to 15 below to 25 below. Looking at Saturday, mostly in the clear under increasingly cloudy skies. Should be a pretty nice day Saturday morning, but we are expecting conditions to deteriorate as the day moves on. Temperatures will be in the lower 20s, and winds will be northwest, shifting west at 25 to 40 miles per hour, but increasing to 35 to 50 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Wind chill rising to 5 below to 5 above. Looking at Saturday night, mostly in the clear, turning towards in the clouds under mostly cloudy skies. Snow likely and a chance of a wintry mix. Possible snow and sleet accumulations of 3 to 5 inches, and possible ice accumulations from freezing rain of a trace to 1/10 of an inch. Temperatures in the lower 20s, and winds west at 35 to 50 miles per hour early, 50 to 70 miles per hour with gusts up to 90 miles per hour around midnight, and 40 to 55 miles per hour with gusts up to 75 miles per hour later. Wind chill 5 below to 5 above. And finally, looking at Sunday, we will be mostly in the clouds with snow likely, possible additional snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Temperatures falling to the mid-teens and winds west shifting northwest at 40 to 55 miles per hour, but then increasing to 50 to 70 with gusts up to 90 miles per hour. Wind chill falling to 5 below to 15 below. So it's looking like Saturday might be the better day if you're planning any outdoor activities, but keep in mind that showers could move in as early as late Saturday afternoon. So even though it may start out nice on Saturday, we are expecting some weather to move in Saturday evening and Saturday night. And then Sunday, conditions will start to improve again, but there might be some ice on the ground after that freezing rain event. So you can find the full details of this forecast at mattwashington.org/forecast. But with that, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and we will see you back here next Friday for next weekend's Higher Summits forecast.